One of the questions I have received over the time I've been making videos on YouTube or have been trading is this simple question of whether it is very possible to trade in the crypto markets with a smart money concept. Now, the straight answer to this question is yes. I personally have made a lot of money trading in the crypto markets with smart money concept. And this video is specifically for crypto traders. And for those of you who have never tried trading crypto assets, I like you to try. Trust me, I like you to try. And then I will show you how to go about it. But then I'm going to show you one of the setups. Just one setup. There are so many setups right in the markets, especially using the smart money concept. But this is the one that works for me. And if you have another one that works for you, perfectly. But then let me show you one of the simplest setups you can use to trade in the crypto market. So let's get into it, and then I will show you some things that you need to also look out for. For those of you who are wondering what is the difference then between crypto markets and then the forex market, let me quickly show you the simple difference before I start giving you this powerful concept for trading. Now, just a very simple presentation, and just to give you the difference between currencies, that is the forex market and the crypto market. These are the simple differences. Now, for currency markets, you can see that there is a very strong regulation there, and there are very, very limited stuff you can do out there. And for crypto, is less regulated. And I hope you know that the crypto market is decentralized. That means it is not controlled by anyone. And then you can see that for currencies, they are less volatile. And for cryptos, they are highly volatile, which means they can go in a particular direction within the fastest or the shortest time you can imagine. And for currencies, they are traded mostly. Most brokers allow you to trade for just 5 days of the week, Mondays to Friday. And then for crypto market, they are traded throughout the week for 7 days, 24 hours. It's active. And about the nature of the market, for currencies, they are centralized. What that means is that there is a central system that controls it, while for crypto is decentralized. For currencies, they have high liquidity. Of course, liquidity is money. Currencies, you have banks, countries, industries dealing in the markets, and therefore you're going to have large volume of money flowing in and out. And for crypto, is still a baby market, low liquidity, but then you are going to have a lot of amazing aha moments if you are trading it also. For currencies, there are less investment opportunities, obviously, less investment opportunities. For cryptos, you're going to have higher investment opportunities. And then, trust me, guys, it's something you would like to work around it. So I just wanted to give you a brief, idea of how the crypto market differs from the currency markets. And then we are back here. Now, let me start by sketching this simple setup. It's something I've taught so many times, but I'm using it in the crypto market to make a lot of money. And for those of you who are showing interest in learning how to trade cryptos, you can sign up with BYBIT with my link in the description of this video. If you are able to sign up with BYBIT with my link in the description, or if you have signed up with my link before, all you need to do is to send me a message through the WhatsApp or my Telegram handle, and then send me your BYBIT user ID, and I'll add you to the special Signal community. I want to see how I can also help you guys that are in the crypto industry to trade and also become independent. So I will add you up in the crypto community. I just specifically created, but then it's for those under my referral. But you can benefit definitely from the videos I'll be making subsequently for the crypto market. So let's go into the setup right here. Let's say, you know how your market structure works, all right? In a very basic market structure, you're going to see price moves in a very simple exponential pattern. This is very easy to identify. Most at times, this is what we call a basic structure of the market. Now, to most people, they think this is how the market behaves. But then if this is how the market behaves, then everybody is going to make money in the market. Every single person in the market is going to make money. All you have to do is to wait for price to come and then take a buy. But the market is very complex in its way. The algorithm is designed to manipulate people. And that's what I want to show you in a little bit of an advanced market structure pattern. If you're liking this video, give it a like. All right, give me a like, because I'm going to show you how it works here. So for an advanced market structure, you're going to see things like this. Price will just behave very irregular to what you have seen before. Beautiful. This is what you're going to see most of the time. Price will just behave to just give you some kind of a manipulative movement and then break structure above. And then you're going to see price do something like this. Very significantly, price is going to give you what we call a miniature pullback. And this type of pullback most of the time is a deceptive pullback that will manipulate people into taking action. All right. And then here comes the advanced structure that you're going to see. You take it for a buy. Now, this pattern of market structure formation, or this pattern of price action, is mostly what manipulates people. And at the end of the day, there is something called a premium and discount. Now, most people, I saw somebody commented on my video yesterday that I am holding on to this premium and discount stuff like it's a holy grail. Now, the question is, if not premium and discount, what else can you use? Fine. It's something I've been using. It's working for me. If you have any other age you're using, it's fine. But then what I'm showing you is what is sustainable. The smart money always use premium and discount. Your price range, anything you're dealing on the premium side, is not going to help you, especially if you're going bullish. Focus on the discount. And in the discount, if you're going bullish, this is a bullish scenario, you are going to always see a point of interest. Price is going to locate a point of interest. That is why we do the institutional reference point. This is what I use in the markets. And if it is working for me, it is going to work for everybody. So that means you are not going to take trade here, nor here. You're going to wait for price to come to your discount. Always after price have swept liquidity internally now. Liquidity. So this setup is called the one setup for life that you always look for. Sometimes price will even go ahead and break like this to create a break of structure. But then if you notice that the break of structure is not having displacement, that means it's not having momentum, just be expecting price to what? To actually manipulate and fetch out liquidity here before going up. And this is what we call the candle range theory, in other words, or the power of three concept on crypto. You have accumulation, right? Most of the time, it manipulates, trading into a key level, and then it goes up. This is what happens most of the time. And if you're opportune to be in the Signal community, which I will show you how to actually use BYBIT. By the way, BYBIT has a MetaTrader 5 now for trading. If you are so much interested in that, you can see this is their MetaTrader 5. Just like you are using your normal broker, you can use BYBIT as a broker now to trade cryptos, including currencies. Now, right now, I'm seeing a sell opportunity here on BTC USD. And it's going to sell down into the discount area. I'm going to show you in the example anyway. But then what I'm showing you is what is really sustainable. Really sustainable. Trust me. So coming back here, we are always going to wait for the manipulation to happen, sweeping liquidity below the low, or if we're going bearish, we sweep liquidity above and then we take the buy. This is how to go about it. Let me show you that on a typical example. I have a setup here. Can you see this? Price had a what? Break of structure bullish right here. All right. Price went ahead. Boom. Break of structure. Now, for your premium and discount, you pick your fib level, wait patiently. When I tell you to always wait for price to come to discount, some people argue, but then I'll assure you that you cannot be sustainably profitable if you cannot do this. If you can't do this, you cannot be sustainable with your profit. It cannot be sustainable. So you have to look at this and look at what is the possible institutional reference point that price is going to look out for on the discount area. Because if you're dealing with this range, it is always a range that you'll be dealing with to make decisions. You will see something like this and say, okay, I want to make my decisions within this range. This is the current price level and you're going to make decisions. It is always like that. And then you have a bullish mitigation block. What is a bullish mitigation block? You will really see it that way. When price does something like this, failure swing, and then it goes up. This is what your mitigation block looks like. All right. The last buy candle, when you're dealing with the bullish mitigation block, becomes the point of entry. Is the swing point here. And this is exactly the pattern of what I am showing you. All right. It's very, very easy. I'm going to show you many of these when I start sending you signals. It's something that you can do time and again repetitively. If this is the case, that means these guys are going to be manipulated. All these guys. All right. So the setup is going to be like immediately when price clears this guy and trade into what? We can even put our pending order and say, okay, I want to be part of this trade, but then I want to see price come to what? To my mitigation block. That is in the discount, and that is obviously the area where price is going to come down to. So it's as simple as that. So we wait for manipulation for price to come, and then we take the buy. You see? That is mostly what happens time and again and again. When you're patient with your trade setup, it will always come back and take you in. Now, let's take this one for example. Let's look at this guy. All right. There are situations that price will just walk away. And this is what some people ask me. What if price doesn't come? Then let it be. It's as simple as that. Let's see this guy, for example. We have a trade setup here. Price came, had a boom, sweep of liquidity here. And we call it market structure shift right there. All right. Market structure shift, price shifted structure. If we do premium and discount, we can say, all right, the possible place price is going to come is this our fair value gap, or this particular fair value gap where we have a mitigation block also there. All right. So we will say, all right, price should come down to this one. Since we have a confluence of a bullish mitigation block here, and this particular fair value gap, we'll just use it as our entry here. All right. As our entry. If price comes there, we take it and we target the high, and our stop loss is going to be right below here for a proper way of doing it. So if price is going to come, all right. Anyway, this stop loss is big. There are ways you can actually minimize your stop loss. I'm going to show you how to do it in another video. Now, you look out for price to come back and sweep this guy, because these guys are actually resting on the premium side of price. So you should expect price to go below it. Now, you will wait patiently. If price comes, it's fine. If price doesn't come, it's okay. Let it be. Look for another opportunity. It happens time and again and again. Most of the time, you'll see it happen like that. All right, look at this one, for example. Just the same crypto asset I'm using. This is Dogecoin. Just to show you guys that these things work. It's not just stories. You have price went up. So anything that is happening within the premium is going to be a liquidity for the smart money. So they are going to push below it, manipulate it, and then take the buy. So if you stick with these setups, if you stick with this kind of trade setups, you will be massively profitable. One setup you need, just every time you're taking the trade, wait for price to come, manipulate it, and then you will be part of the trade. All right. You see, most of the time it will clear liquidity and then it will play out as expected. Most of the time you will see it do that. All right. Now, how about this one? Can you see this? This entire one is also a price range here. This is also a price range. Now, remember I told you in the example that there are moments you will see price even push to create a break of structure. But if the break of structure does not come with displacement, let it be. All right. So what did happen here? Boom. Sweeping all of them, targeting the point of interest here. All right. Boom, it went up, clearing liquidity. Now, still on the same asset, all I'm showing you is the same asset. I'm just showing you all the trade opportunities that came up. All right. And for those of you who will be opportune to be in the Telegram community and you finally be there, I will show you the list of crypto assets I mostly look out for if I am trading crypto assets. All right. If I'm trading crypto assets, there are many things I would like to show you, but then go ahead and sign up with BYBIT and then message me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Send me your user ID to confirm and then I'll add you up. Now look at this. Price went bullish, premium and discount, and then we have price level in the discount area here. Obviously, this is like a mitigation block also. I'm sure price is going to look at that area and it goes using all those guys as what? Manipulation. All right. So let me show you the one happening on BTC USDT right now. The one I showed you on my BYBIT. Beautiful 15-minute time frame. Is that what we have? Let's go to the current chart here. Beautifully. Can you see this now? Now, this is what some people are waiting for. We can take this range, price range here to here. If you are not patient, you will start entering this trade from here. Yes, this is what some people will do. They are not patient. They will start entering from there. And then this is exactly what the trade is doing. We need to allow this to mature, to be fully ready to take the buy. So right here, we have this guy, break of structure. Now, I will subsequently show you how to mix everything with top-down analysis, and then you are going to have trade entries that are powerful. All right, so price is now preparing to come down to your discount area. And in the discount area, obviously, you can see some very, very significant kind of price action. Price may most likely use this area or even trade below, because right below we have some very important key levels for price to come to. But then if price reacts from there, you're going to see which of them price is obviously going to use. You start by putting your focus here and then you focus here. I will show you that how to specifically know which of them price will use. I have videos on that for currencies. Maybe you can check which of them price could use. Just search it on my YouTube channel. But then here we allow price to mature and then we take the buy immediately when it comes to our discount. Now it will take some minutes. Maybe probably price will do something like this, even do like this. So don't be in a hurry. Allow it to fully mature and then you take the buy. So this is it, guys. For those of you who are still wondering whether to consider trading cryptos, or it's not a must anyway, so you can continue with your currencies, and if you want to trade cryptos too, you can do that and join the Telegram community with me. For those of you who are interested in joining the Forex community, the link is also in the description, the Telegram link. Make sure you join. It's free. See you right there. Thank you very much for watching.